How to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access in Windows 11. So first of all, restart your Wi-Fi, router and your computer. This simple step often resolves temporary network issues. If the problem continues, you can disconnect your Wi-Fi network, then reconnect by entering your password again. After that, right-click on the Start button, then you want to go ahead and simply tap on Settings. And then inside Settings, go to Network and Internet. And inside here, simply click on Advanced Network Settings. Now, run the Network Troubleshooter. You should also check for Windows Update by going inside your settings, then tap on Windows Update. And if there's any of it available, you can simply tap on Update and let your laptop update to its latest version. If you are still offline, you can open up Advanced Network Settings, select Network Reset, and then tap on Reset Now. PC will restart and reinstall your network adapter, which will often fix persistent network connection. If none of these fixes work, the issue may be with your internet service or router rather than your computer. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.